Speech off. This is what happens when Ethos is being lazy. It's his last relieving time of the day, and he does not want to get up. I bet you as soon as now that I have the camera on, he's going to jump up. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Ethos, let's go. Come on. Is he even twitching? Oh my god, can you guys see his face? Let's go. Look, he's just like thrown there. Ethos, come on. Let's go. I don't want to pull too hard even though. Come on. Ethos. Hey. Is he awake? Hello. Come on. Let's go. Mr. Ethos, let's go. Come on. You need to go potty and then change that collar to your night collar. Come on. Sir, let's go. Oh, jeez. Come on. Hurry. Ethos, come on. He is not going to get up. Ethos, let's go. What? Look, he's kicking me. Come on. Come on. No, don't grumble at me. What do you have to say about yourself? Come on. Speech on. Stop recording video. Button. Actions available. I need to let you guys go because this is going to take forever. Take picture. Actions available. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Take picture. Actions available. Stop recording video.